Dear curiosity minds, in this video you have clear idea about quantitative research. It is part of the types of research. It is the series of fourth one. At right now, um, my name is Bosubabu Sambana. Okay, what is the types of research and how many types of research are there? Generally, our previous videos we know that. How many types of research are there and how many types of research papers are there and how to write the research paper and effective way and how to understand the in a real time environment to conduct the research and how to involve the teamworks to interact with multiple channels. In the way we know that what is the research and how to conduct the research, and at right now various factors what are the types of research. In these types of research, these are different methods are used to conduct research for better way to resolve the issue. Okay, for particular get the solution based on our research goals, timelines, and proposes methods and different types of research are maybe utilized for particular and suitable solution purpose. In the way we require number of lot of studies and lot of surveys and reviews and peer reviews. In this way we are gathering and identified a particular solution through approaching manner by step systematical approaching way. In the way we are conducting the research methods to identify the problems through problem identification comes reality solution. In the way generalized to categorized into 19 types of research papers. Those are we know that fundamental research generally called as basic research, applied research and qualitative research. At right now the previous three types of research videos are already available. Kindly check in check it in check it in the boxes. And at right now we discussed in quantitative research. what is the meant by what is the meant by quantitative research, how it is used, and what is the advantages and disadvantages of the research, quantitative research. In this video we have clear idea about what is the quantitative research, what is the quantitative research, and compared to the quantitative research and qualitative research, and what is the qualitative research main purpose, and how many types of the quantitative research, and what is the advantage of quantitative research and what is the disadvantage of quantitative research, and what is the quantitative research characteristics and how to evaluate the various factors, purpose, data types and approaches and analysis, and what is the advantage of the quantitative research and their research methods and how it is used and what is the example of the research, and what is the quantitative research methods. Already you know that the descriptive research, correlation research and experimental research, and what is the significant steps to conduct the quantitative research. Okay, then we will go to first one. You know that what is the quantitative research. Then what is the quantitative research? The quantitative research is a process of a collecting and analyzing numerical data. It can be used to find patterns and average, make a predictions, test causal relationship, and generalize results to wider populations. It is effective analyze the based on existing resources to analyze the numerical data analysis based on various factors, either survey research, qualitative research, descriptive research, and whatever it may be. The qualitative research is opposite of the qualitative research. quite opposite of the qualitative research. In the way we given description of the what is the qualitative research and what is the quantitative research, and which involves the collecting and analyzing non-numerical data, either text or video and audio, and some cases are using numerical data also. And quantitative research is widely used in the numerical, natural and social sciences, and biology, chemistry, psychology and economic sociology, marketing and space research, and deep space research also. And you know that what is the qualitative research and what is the quantitative research. It is the significant difference between each point. What is the aim, what is the where it is can be utilizing looking for, what is the recommendation, where it is when they studied, and what is the data gathering way, and what where it is used, the data formation like word, picture and objective. What is the subjective, individual subjectives are maybe involved, grouping subject group or individual or multi grouping method. What is the qualitative methods are utilizing, what is the researchers are subjective involved in the effective way. In the way we are compare this diagram will be identified, will be given the qualitative information about qualitative information about quantitative research and qualitative research. And what right now, what is the quantitative research? The already you know that what is the quantitative research. The quantitative research is a process of collecting and generalizing, analyzing the numerical data. It can be used to find pattern and average, make a prediction, test causal relationship, and generalize results to the wider population. It is a easy way to understand the similar definition. The quantitative research is a systematic uh, investigation of phenomena by the gathering quantitative quantifiable data and performing statistical, mathematical or computational techniques. That means collecting the information from existing source and analyzing the um, analyzing various factors, factorial methods like statistical, mathematical or computational techniques, what it may be. Quantitative research collects information from existing or potential customers using sampling methods, random sampling methods, and sending out online surveys, online polls, and questionnaires, and whatever it may be. We will give the mm, later. You know that what is the significant importance of the quantitative research, and you know that the what is the which kind of results may be utilized in the numerical way, and how the user understand the efficient manner to either based on based on their analyzing. Then in the way types of quantitative research are there. Now, those are, we know that survey research and descriptive research and experimental research and correlation research. These are categorized into four factors. Types of quantitative research categorized into four factors. Those are survey research and descriptive research, experimental research and correlation research. In the way, you know that advantage of quantitative research and disadvantage of the quantitative research. Advantage of the quantitative research is the standard collection and generalize the fact finding methods based on replication and direct comparison of the various results, and large sampling methods identification and modeling testing cases, and hypothesis testing. That means procedural manner to report the research variable activities, production mechanism, data collection and testing tools and methods are comparison, what it may be. This is the useful for the advantage of quantitative research, and disadvantage of the quantitative research based on quite opposite of the advantage of the quantitative research. Some cases it be similarly, but it is quite opposite to the work of quantitative research. Superficiality and narrow focus and structural bias methods and lack of required content. Okay. Then what is the quantitative research characteristics? You know that some distinctive characteristics of every research method, every research field, every characteristic, every object. In the way, quantitative research also consider following factors like a characteristics, like controlled and experimental and objective and inf- inferential and outcome oriented and reliable and particularistic and generalized aggregate analysis. Based on these tools, are we can categorize it into various factors based on 1 to 8 points. Structural tools and sampling size, random sampling size, narrow sampling size, and close-ended questions and prior studies, priority analysis, and quantitative data and generalized of the results based on the comparative of the analysis, based on quantitative and qualitative analysis. We know that before going to the analysis, first we can analyze the generalize the results based on purpose, data type, and approach and analysis. Then you must apply the where it is apply to qualitative. Then this kind of environment came when you are planning to apply quantitative, then this kind of environment came, answer will come. Okay. Next, what is the advantage of the quantitative research? Collect reliable and accurate data and quick data collection and wider scope of the data analysis based on various factors, depends on various factors, and involving various semantic and systematic data backups tools, and eliminating bias means easily avoiding quantitative analysis, quantitative computational analysis by using, and the what which kind of research method and where how it is used, and what is the example of it can be used, and experimental for controlling manipulating independent variable to measure its effect on the dependent variable, and survey it can be questionnaire based environment, and it is a telephonic way or formation way the Google form, and what it may be, this kind of environment it came either telephonic and oral, or it may be systematic observation to identify the particular object and during the occurrence, only interest and monitoring the particular natural setting and natural object analysis, and secondary research to collect data that has been generated for the gathering purpose of surveys and national survey, election poll survey, and movie review, what it may be. This kind of research came, and you know that qualitative research methods. You know that what is the qualitative research methods. Those are categorized into four factors. First one, survey methods, and survey research, descriptive research, experimental research, and correlation research. Okay, based on this factor we categorize into four factor, but how it can be effective way to conduct the quantitative research based on these factors, to step by step approaching. First, user must be identified through theory and generate the hypothesis and formulation the research design, and categorized into operational concept wise analysis, and categorized into and formation based selective research particular topic or site, and selecting respondents who are really involved in this area, and laterally collecting the simple and randomized data from various sources, existing sources or any other external sources, and pre-processing and post-processing data mechanism done in this data processing, and finally analyzing the data analysis based on systematic tools like structure tools and sample size, and various factors, and finding and conclusion comes under based on data analysis. Finally once you identified the results, generating once you identify the generation of results based on purpose, data type, approaching analysis, then then you will come finally conclusion, then plan to publish your article, plan to publish your research. Why? Because the entire research work belongs to you. Okay, in the way, this is the quantitative research methods, quantitative research. Okay, if any query, please ask me, and please subscribe and like and share your circle, and thank you very much for your support. Thank you.